Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got the grasp of the Groovy, so don't mind if my code is not really that great. But what I wanted to show you is the ScriptRunner data center creation on multiple issues in company managed projects, because in team managed projects, even on cloud, this is possible. And yes, you can use the API, but I wanted to show this to you with the usage of the HAPI, if I can call it like that. So the question is, well, what is that? So that basically is an API, but these are for doing the common tasks in Jira. And we need to know this, that it's a simpler alternative of the Jira API. And the question is, well, how do we do this? So if we go to our documentation right here, so this is one piece of the code. So now, last thing that I went through were some for loops. And I was thinking, you know what, man? There's already this page on where you can create one issue. We have the API. Now the question is, can you actually do this with using Groovy? And yeah, of course, forgot to mention, Groovy is part of Java, so it is a younger brother of Java, if I can call it like that. But if you know Java, you're gonna know Groovy as well. But I don't. But I thought that this might be useful to you guys. So what we're gonna write here, so we're gonna go with the for loop, and I'm gonna say int I equals to 1, and I'm gonna say I and less greater than, let's say 5. I'm gonna go I++. Some of you are gonna ask, what is this? Why have you written this? And it's okay. This is if you have used your code editor. If you would write like 4 and then hit tab, it would automatically pre-fill this. You cannot actually do this in the ScriptRunner directly in Jira. But you know what? I'm like, yeah, why not do this the old school way? Yeah, you can download some code editors, then actually connect to your Jira instance to use Groovy. But I was like, nah, I didn't want to do it like that. Alright, so because I like to copy paste things, I'm just gonna do that. Let's break down this stuff. Okay, the ABC is actually, so that's gonna be your project key. Let me just check it in here. Oops, this was a mistake here, so I had to fix it. It's not really easy to type. Okay, so what do we have here? We have task and we have the summary. I'm gonna say here coding rules, and also I'm gonna say set labels, and for the label I'm gonna use ScriptRunner. For example, if I set assignee, who's gonna be the assignee? That's gonna be me, because I'm the only one in my instance. Now there should be some sad music playing in the background, right? but I don't know how to edit videos, so I have to learn that as well. Okay, I'm gonna type in log warn, and this is because I just want to know what happened, right? So I'm gonna say, after all of this is done, you just inform me and say, hey, issue has been created. Let me just run this. File logs, issue created. That's great. Let me just go now to the project here, and let us look for my lovely Kanban board. What do we have here? We have coding rules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is what we got. And we have this assignee, and labels have been set as well. Now this tutorial was only creating the 5 issues at the same time for the company managed, because the managed projects can already do this. Well, basically you can actually do this in the company managed if you take that box on your create screen where it says like create another, but of course you would have to manually do those things, manually create issues. It stays on the create issue screen, but then again you would have to do it. So this significantly cuts the time, but you would actually need to just edit the summary. That's it. Alright, so I have nothing else to add to this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.